this is Libby with C Chats, and there have been a lot of questions about eBay coupons. They are relatively new feature. How do you do it? I'm going to quickly show you how. I do recommend them. We've been having success with them in our store. So let me go ahead and share my screen and we can get started. Okay, so where you're going to want to start is in your seller hub, or you can go to marketing, promotions. All right, and once you're in there, you can create a promotion in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to click on what kind of promotion. I will create videos on the other ones. We do use them all. They're all successful depending on what you are selling. You can definitely get them to work for you and increase your sales. Okay, so let's look at the coupon feature. It has a little new bubble next to it because it is a relatively new feature. And you're going to go in here and you are going to create a coupon, and it'll kind of walk you through. So a coupon code. So one of the things I do is I create a private coupon code that I send to my customers with a little QR code as a thank you note. So you can use that for repeat buyers. There's so many options that are just incredible here, but let's do something really simple. So I'm going to create a coupon code that is 20 chats, and I'm just naming it. That is the code that somebody will need to type on or will follow them through eBay when you send it to them. So keep that simple. You're going to name it. I recommend naming it something. This is something that you will see. So something that you're familiar with. Let's say I'm going to do 20% off private coupon. Okay. And next you can pick whether it's private or public. So I want to say with this, a public coupon is going to show on your listings. So I do use public coupons. I will show that separately. What we're going to talk about here and show you quickly is just the private coupon. So anyone can use this code, but it won't be posted on eBay. It's yours to share however you'd like. Okay, and so let's say it's going to mean 20% off. You can do 20% off 3 or more items. You can do a dollar amount off. It's pretty flexible. It's pretty robust. And then you can set usage limits here. So maximum savings per order, $100. Maximum redemptions per buyer. If you want to set a limit on that, let's say each buyer can only use that coupon twice. You can also set a budget. So what that means is that after this coupon has been used for $100 in savings across the board, it'll end. Okay. So I don't generally use the budget. I just go in and monitor my promotions. Item eligibility, all inventory, you can select however you want. Let's just go into that. I'm going to say select specific store categories. Let's say I only want that to apply to my home goods. And let's see. If I only want that to apply to my home goods, I'm probably also going to want to go back and put that in my description, so I know what we're looking at when I go back. If you're running a couple of these and you have quite a few running, that's definitely a good thing to do because it can get very overwhelming. And if you're like me, you don't necessarily remember what that item is. Okay, you can add whatever kind of cover photo here. I prefer to use branded cover photos. So if you have something with your logo on it, that's always great. It's another opportunity for branding. Describe the coupon you're creating for buyers who want to learn more. And this is where you're going to put your buyer description. Let's say 20% off home goods. I always use my business name. I think anywhere you can put that branding is a bonus, so people come back. And you schedule the start dates. Let's say I usually have mine start right at the moment, but you can schedule it if you're running a sale or a promotion, and the end date. And that's it. I'm going to save mine as a draft, but what you would do at this point is go ahead and launch your coupon. Thanks for joining Libby and Molly, the ladies of Consignment Chats, as we build a resourceful community of collaborative resellers. Find all the ways to connect with us at consignmentchats.com. Episodes are available on YouTube and anywhere you get your podcasts. In addition, you can find us on Facebook in our Consignment Chats community. Until next time.